Huawei may have announced the Mate 10 Pro at CES last month, but the company is already preparing to launch its next main device, the P20, at an event in Paris on March 27. If the invitation to the event is something to go through, it is possible that the P20 is the first important smartphone that has a triple-lens rear camera system, through Android Central. It has already been rumored that the P20 would present a system of 3 lenses, and the invitation, with a ghostly motif of 000 and the phrase "see more with AI," would seem to reinforce that theory. It is rumored that the company will launch 3 devices in the event, the P20, the P20 Lite and the P20 Plus. It is not yet clear if the triple camera system will reach all 3 devices or not. It is also unknown for what Huawei will use the third camera. Typically, dual camera systems have a black and white lens and a color lens, or a standard lens and a telephoto lens. Other ads rumors leaked in December claim that the flagship P series will use the triple lens system for 40-megapixel frames with 5x zoom, so it could be to allow multiple levels of optical zoom. However, in the current market, where it is often difficult to make the devices stand out from each other under the specifications, perhaps a third camera will give Huawei the momentum it needs to cause a sensation.